Merry Christmas, everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful Christmas season. So in today's video, I thought I would just do a quick little sit down video with you where I kind of open up my craft room, my Etsy shop, share with you guys what I am up to this Christmas season, what I am making, what I am selling, and hopefully can inspire you with things that you might want to do or kind of, jumpstart you with some creative thoughts of what to do and sell. So I have 5 specific things for you that we're going to do today. And if you find them helpful, if you like them at all, please be sure to hit the like button on the video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So let's go ahead and get into what I'm making. So the first thing that I am making is this Santa sleigh license. If you have watched my past videos, you know I have done a whole tutorial on how to do this. It's linked up above if you want all the details. Going to be coffee mugs. So I do some non-custom coffee mugs like this one that says best Nana ever. I also do best grandma ever, best Gigi ever, things like that. These non-custom ones I put in a local boutique here and they do very well. So they make really great gifts for people to give out. So I do those in the local shop. I will put them on my Etsy shop, but to be honest with you, these do not sell very well on Etsy compared to in a local store. What does sell for me on Etsy, as far as grandma mugs, if you will, is going to be ones that are more custom, that says, something specific to that grandma. So my custom ones like this, I will list on Etsy and sell. My non-custom go in the shop. Next up is this wine tumbler here. It starts out plain white like this, and then I put the design on it. I've really been into these cute little snowmen design lately here. This one here says shake your flakes, and they have a bunch of other like cute little wine snowmen kind of images. This image I got off of Etsy, and I really like it. It goes great on the tumblers. But yeah, this tumbler I'll have linked down below if you'd like. These are just 12-ounce wine tumblers that are insulated with the lid, and they are adorable and super cute, super fun to make. Okay, the next thing I have is my 20-ounce skinny tumblers. Now, I know this one is not specifically Christmas. All my Christmas ones are in my shop. This is a non-specific holiday season one that I sell, but this one this kind of gives you an idea of what I do. So my non-custom ones are in my shop, and my custom ones I sell on Etsy. As far as custom ones, I have a design that's been pretty popular, and I just put people's names on them, and then I will sell them. I actually have a picture of a big order I did that, and I'll put it up on the screen here. This one I just customized, and I made the design, put their names on it, and sent that order out, and that's been fun and a good seller for me. Okay guys, and the next thing I have is going to be my candles. So I make soy candles. This one here is a sweet rain scent. This one is not a specific Christmas scent, but I will say that I typically focus on my Christmas scents this time of year. So I'll do things like apple pie, winter wonderland, Christmas morning. Smells like that sell really well for me now, and I put all of my candles in a local shop and I sell them there. Now, I don't typically sell them on my Etsy shop because I haven't gotten into shipping candles and the possible breakage that could come along with that, as well as the temperature fluctuations and things along those lines. So for now, I stick to just selling those in my local shop, but it is something that I enjoy that does sell well for me that maybe you guys would want to try. Or, they make a wonderful gift for friends or family, things like that. So there you go. That's another one for you. And now the one other thing I wanted to show you guys / mention is kind of like a 5.5. Because I know I said 5 and I've already shared 5. But there's kind of one more thing that I was going to do, kind of turned out to be a bust for me, but it could have been successful. So kind of want to throw it out there. So last year I ordered some Christmas ornaments, and I ordered them straight from overseas manufacturer. They came in, I ordered several batches, they turned out perfect. This year I ordered a batch of ornaments from the same manufacturer, turned out to be a complete, well, not a complete, somewhat of a bust. So I'll show you what I was going to do. They are basically marshmallows sitting in a coffee mug ornament, and I was going to personalize them with some names on them, like so, right? And sell those. Thankfully, I only ordered a small batch of 20 to start, and I would say of the 20 ornaments, about half of them were what I would deem to be defective, where I can't sell them, and I will show you what I mean by that. So, like, take this one, for example. Do you see how off the paint and the little eye dots are? I mean, in the smiles, and the paint even down here is just off. If I received this as a customer and I paid for that, I would be so upset. So I'm not going to be selling the defective ones. Like I said, about half of my batch was defective, half is good. So the ones that are good, I will sell those, but I won't be able to sell the other half. So I mean, you could always do something like Christmas ornaments. If you do something like this, if you are ordering from an overseas manufacturer with the intent to customize and sell an ornament, please, I would recommend starting in a small batch in case something like this happens, that you're not out too much money. If you don't want to do something like this and you want to actually hand make the ornament yourself, I have several videos where I've done that before in the past because those do sell really well. So I'll put some Christmas ornament videos up above for you guys to check out. But yeah, these are my ideas, what I am up to this Christmas season. And I thank you guys so much for coming along with me. It was fun to share this with you. Please be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And I hope you guys have a wonderful Christmas.